How to embroider 3D cap. Part 1. Prepare accessories. Cap station, cap hoop, hexagon wrench, cap driver. Part 2. Clip the cap. Install cap station. Install cap hoop. Remove the clips on the cap hoop. Loosen the chain on the cap hoop. Install the cap. Adjust the cap center point. Fix cap. Press the 3 buttons together on the cap hoop. Take off the cap hoop. Part 3. Install the cap driver. Choose embroidery hoop. Install cap driver. Choose number 3 Allen wrench. Tighten the screws. Install cap hoop. Alignment position. Press cap hoop. Part 4. Electronic control operation. Step 1. Choose embroidery pattern. Step 2. Choose pattern direction. Press Edit button, enter embroidery status. Step 3. Choose embroidery colors. M button means manual change color. A button means automatic change color. Keep the pattern in the embroidery area. Minus button means reduce speed. Plus button means increase speed. Step 4. Start embroidery. Finish the base color embroidery. Add 3D foam glue, then continue embroidering. "3D cap embroidery completed."